In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete LastPass Password Manager. If you're cleaning up old or duplicate logins in your password vault, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove a specific saved password from your LastPass account using the Web Vault. We'll keep things clear and simple so you can follow along without any guesswork. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the LastPass Web Vault. Once you're in the Vault dashboard, you'll see a navigation panel along the left side. Look for the section labeled Passwords. This is where LastPass organizes all of your saved website logins in one place, and it's the easiest spot to review what you have before you delete anything. Click into Passwords to bring up your list of saved entries. If you have a lot of items, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the exact site or service you want to remove. Typing just a few letters will narrow the list right away. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct entry by checking the site name and, if shown, the associated username. Verifying this now helps prevent accidentally removing the wrong login. When you've identified the password you want to delete, move your cursor over that entry to reveal the More Options menu, typically shown as three dots. Click those three dots to open the Actions menu for that specific item. From the options that appear, choose Delete. Depending on your settings, you may see a brief prompt asking you to confirm the deletion. Approving that prompt will remove the selected login from your vault. After deletion, the entry will no longer appear in your passwords list, which helps keep your vault tidy and reduces clutter from outdated accounts or credentials you no longer use. This action only removes the single saved login you selected. It does not affect your other entries and does not close or delete your LastPass account. If you're doing a broader cleanup, simply repeat the same steps for any additional logins you want to remove. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure you still have another way to access the service you're deleting, especially if you rely on it regularly. Deleting the saved entry in LastPass won't change the actual password on the website, but you'll no longer have it autofill from your vault. And if you're unsure about an entry, it's perfectly fine to leave it in place until you've double-checked. That's it. You've learned how to locate a saved login, open its options, and delete it from your LastPass vault with confidence. Thanks for watching, and great job keeping your password manager organized.